In today's video, I'm going to teach you full Zoho CRM tutorial for beginners, 2025. We'll begin on the home page, your command center for widgets like open tasks, pipeline, and recent records. Personalize this area so the metrics you care about are always visible. Open reports to build, edit, delete, or schedule reports. Apply filters and summaries to answer specific questions, and use scheduling to email results on a cadence. Head to Analytics for dashboards, add charts, KPIs and funnels, arrange them to tell a story, and create separate dashboards for each team. Visit CRM Teamspace to organize work by group. Create folders, associate modules, and set access so every team sees only what they need. Go into sales. In leads, capture prospects from forms or imports, score and assign them, and convert qualified leads to automatically create the linked contact, account, and deal. In contacts, manage people, merge duplicates, and review related emails, activities, and deals. Accounts store company records. Link multiple contacts and deals to the same account and keep company-level notes. In deals, use Kanban to track stages, forecast amounts, set close dates, and attach products, quotes, and activities to move opportunities forward. Open forecasts to set quotas by month or quarter, and monitor attainment by user, role, or territory. Documents centralizes files like proposals and price sheets. Organize with folders, versioning, and sharing controls. In campaigns, track efforts, budgets, and ROI, and associate leads and contacts to measure impact. Activities gives you a consolidated list of tasks, meetings, and calls with reminders and calendar sync. Inside tasks, set priority, due dates, owners, and recurrence to keep follow-ups on time. Meeting lets you schedule sessions with invitees and reminders and log notes back to the record. Calls is where you log outcomes and next steps or place calls via your telephony integration. Under Inventory, open products to define SKUs, prices, and taxes, and link them to deals and quotes. Price books manage tiered or regional pricing and apply it to transactions. Create quotes for itemized offers with taxes and discounts, then convert approved quotes into sales orders for confirmed purchases. Purchase orders track what you buy from vendors, and invoices bill customers with terms and payment links. Vendors stores supplier information tied to your purchasing documents. In the support module, cases capture customer issues with priorities and SLAs, while solutions houses knowledge articles you can share. In integrations, Sales Inbox connects your email so messages and templates live alongside CRM records. Visits helps field teams log check-ins tied to accounts and contacts. Jobs is a custom module you can tailor and import data into. Services catalogs your service offerings for use in deals, quotes, and invoices. Back on home, review your day and plan next steps. If this helped, subscribe for more.